Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and flattening the garment. This removes oils that stop the treatment bonding. Once cleaned, choose machine or hand wash with Nikwax Tech Wash or similar. Cold to warm water is fine. Make sure you run a gentle cycle and use a 1/2 load so the fabric moves freely. After rinsing, squeeze out excess water and leave the fabric damp. You want the down fibers open, not dripping, because the next step needs surface moisture to help the down proof penetrate. You apply Nikwax Down Proof next, and you should follow the manufacturer dose, typically a measured 50 to 100 milliliters per jacket, depending on size. Pour gradually over the damp item so the formula distributes, and make sure you target seams and stitched areas where water first penetrates. Once applied, agitate gently. A short machine cycle of 10 to 15 minutes or careful hand rubbing helps the treatment spread through the outer fabric. This ensures the coating reaches the fiber surface for consistent repellency. You finish by drying. Tumble dry on low heat with a couple of clean tennis balls or dryer balls for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps restore loft and activate the treatment. Once dry, test repellency by sprinkling water. Drops should bead and shed quickly, and if not, make sure seams aren't saturated or the fabric isn't worn through. If wetting continues, repeat the down proof application, concentrating on problem zones, or consider professional repair for damaged fabric before retreating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.